I'm Mariana from Spring Spanish, and I think I speak for all Latina women and men when I say we love getting compliments. We might not always know how to react to them well. ¿Qué guapa te ves? ¿Se te hace? Gracias. But yes, a nice cumplido can really be the key to unlocking a Latino heart, and not only while flirting. Compliments can also help you get better service at a restaurant or in a shop, or make your cuñada instantly like you at your first family dinner. So, today you're going to learn the top 20 compliments Latinos love to hear. Using them will make you instantly liked by your Latino friends, family, and lover. Empecemos. Complimenting your crush or significant other. Whether it's Dia de San Valentin or just any other day, if you want to tell that special person how nice they look or how good looking they are, you may say, "Qué guapa, te ves espectacular." Gracias, qué lindo. Eres hermosa. ¿Crees? Gracias. Nunca había visto ojos tan bonitos como los tuyos. ¡Qué romántico! Me encanta tu sonrisa. Tú también eres muy guapo. Obvio, caen rendidas a mis pies. Or, if you don't want to exaggerate, just use one of them. Chunk alert. Qué guapa or qué guapo is an example of a chunk you may learn by heart. Literally, it means how hot or how good looking, but it is more often used as a synonym of you look very nice. If you learn this chunk by heart, as a whole, not only will you use it correctly every single time without worrying about knowing the rules behind it, but you will also sound like a native speaker, because guess what? We use it very often. If you want to learn more chunks like this one, why don't you download our free Spanish dating chunks cheat sheet? It gives you a list of the most common Spanish chunks you'll need while on a date or when talking to your significant other in a relationship. Complimenting someone's cooking skills. Whether you are at a restaurant and want to compliment the chef, or whether you want to say you truly enjoy the dish cooked by your partner or your partner's abuelita, these are the compliments you may use. Esto está delicioso. Qué cosa tan rica. Esto está exquisito. Nunca había probado algo tan rico. Felicitaciones al chef. Sometimes, especially when the chef happens to be the owner of the place, they may come out of the kitchen to thank you for the compliment and perhaps gift you something, como un postre o una bebida. This is obviously not a rule, but it might happen. If it does, qué suerte tienes. Now, seguro ya sabes that food is very important for Latino families. So, if you compliment someone's cooking skills, they will probably offer you more. Therefore, be prepared to gain some weight or to feel stuffed by the end of the day. Complimenting somebody's clothes. It's hard not to tell someone when you like something they're wearing, right? But what should you say in Spanish if that's the case? Here are some options. Me gusta tu corbata. Qué bonito vestido. Qué chido tu saco. Another set of chunks you may use to compliment how someone looks is Qué bien te queda ese color. ¡Qué elegancia la de Francia! Chunk alert. ¡Qué elegancia la de Francia is yet another chunk you should learn by heart, because you can't imagine how often it is used, and as you can probably tell, saying how elegant France is doesn't make a lot of sense when you try to translate it into English. This is just a wordplay that means you look stunning. Now, when you compliment somebody's clothes in addition to gracias, they may respond using either of these chunks. Cuando quieras. A la orden. Both chunks are used when the other person is sort of offering to lend you the garment you complimented. Complimenting someone's job. Another situation where compliments come in handy is at work. If a colleague or someone you supervise did a good job, you may say, "Excelente trabajo." "Me encantó tu traducción." My heart jumps every time someone says this to me. Magnífico evento. This one is specially used to compliment the committee that organized some sort of event, like a party or a conference. ¡Qué buen video! Do you like this video so far? El mejor cumplido que puedes darme is a thumbs up. Now, everyone loves compliments, but what if they don't deserve that compliment and you want to complain about, say, a bad service or bad behavior? We've got you covered. Click on the video that just appeared on screen and let my colleague Corey show you how to complain respectfully in Spanish and get the treatment you deserve. It's right here on screen, just right here. Click on it now.